Hey everyone! I'm Jolene.
I'm Julianne, and we're
Like That Apparel.
We're back with another challenge.
Super excited.
Today, we're gonna have a fun and fresh time at Goodwill, our favorite place in the
best
world.
place.
And we're gonna do a challenge of 30 minutes of making a simple Goodwill used whatever we get and making it
Runway.
runway worthy.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the plan for today. We're gonna go to Goodwill, have 30 minutes,
A $15 limit.
and we'll see what we come up with.
So stay tuned.
I want to go on Pinterest for a little, maybe get some inspiration. We feel like we should get some inspo, because we really out here with nothing, or should we not get any inspo at all?
I think nothing.
Okay, no inspo. This is even harder.
Because it is 50% off day, so that's already kind of like easier. You know what I mean?
I don't know. We'll see. But come with us to Goodwill, and you'll find out what comes up. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm excited. This is not something we really do.
So
Stay tuned. We're on our way to Goodwill now. The only bad part is that we're not bougie and we don't have camera people and like editors.
we're gonna have to film ourselves.
And we're also gonna see everything we get. But the surprise is the finishing product, I guess. It really doesn't matter.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
I'm thinking about changing my mind about the inspo.
That's it. You did it.
I pulled the trigger.
It's on you. You
Damn
did this yourself.
It's fine. I have some ideas.
Okay. We're here. We'll see you guys inside. I don't appreciate that.
Kinda nervous.
Kind of excited and nervous at the same time. Definitely don't know what we're gonna do. Because you decided we don't need inspo.
I don't know.
Okay, so we're starting to look. There's a lot of people, and I kind of hate filming when there's a lot of people. Also, I don't know if I'm gonna get copyrighted because of the music. I'm kind of freaking out. It's fun and fresh. Okay, let's see.
Ew, I can never get a good camera angle, and I'm sure you guys can't even hear me because it's kind of loud in here. I feel like I should go to the dresses first, see what they have. Ooh. If there's something like oversized, but like a fun material, that would be great.
I don't know if I want to go for like a skirt look. I kind of want to go for like a Franken look, maybe. I feel like that would be fun. Like a Franken look. Very like Balenciaga. Does Balenciaga do that? I don't know. Kind of blacking out. Kind of freaking out. I'm blocked out, and I have 30 minutes, and I don't know what to do.
I am stuck. Ooh. Are we going like prom-y looking runway or like regular runway?
This is not for the look, but like I like this sweater, so I'm just gonna get it because it's cute. Oh, this one's fun too. Fuck, there's a lot of stuff.
Ooh. No. I'm getting distracted. We're not going to Vegas, ladies.
2 tops for the like look, because I kind of want to like cut them in half and then make a whole like half shirt type deal. We'll see what happens. I think I'm done, and I've also found this super cute bag. Look at this. We love her. I don't know where Jolene is. I'm gonna go look for her.
Ooh. Feel like I could do something with this? Like throw a belt on it? Oh my god, I'm not very good at like crazy runway. I just keep trying to put together cute outfits for like Instagram or something.
So Jolene kind of flexed on me and wasted only $7.
I'm really good at saving money.
Okay, so just don't stop, you know? It's not like we're pedestrians. Anyways, she just spent $7. I spent like the $15. I only spent more money because I got 2 things for myself because I like them.
And I got 1 thing for myself.
But is it going with your outfit or is
No.
it not? Okay, I thought you were going to put it with the outfit.
Oh,
I was
no.
like, that's cute. Like, I see it.
No.
You should.
It's not. It's a whole different look.
Well, we'll see what happens. Thought I'd fill you guys in. We're dying. I'm breaking out on my forehead because I'm stressing out. It's very fun. How are you doing?
Kind of right. Just a little bit.
I really didn't think we were gonna take this long, but we kind of took it to like a whole other level. And
You said runway.
we really did. We took runway like literally.
Like we're thinking we're gonna wear this to fashion.
I'm thinking I'm gonna be going up to, what's her name? Oh my god, I hate myself. Yes. Are you living life?
I'm crying.
We've been together less than a week, but I swear it seems like 2 years at least. Whether face to face or over the phone, when I hear your voice, I'm right at home. More than a man could ever want, girl. Cameras to see if I'm being pawned. Ain't no sense in lying to you or to myself. I'm just sorry, always so be true.
Thank you for watching. I
And that's it for today's video.
If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what we should do next.
And which look did you like better?
Ooh, tea.
Tell us.
It's gonna be mine.
Also, I don't know about all that.
No,
Listen, we all know it's mine.
It's mine.
We all know it's
No,
mine.
it's mine.
I'm pretty sure.
No, it's mine.
No.
It's mine.
And if you like our faces, go ahead and subscribe.
And turn on the little notification bell wherever it is. I have no idea anymore.
So here, over here, wherever it is in your device.
So you can get notified when we post new videos.
And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Wow.
Are we pros?
Are we like YouTubers now?
Are we like YouTubers?
Going streamies?
Going, I was gonna say Grammy, Oscar.